If you want the clock in the home screen to be smaller on the Motorola Moto G56, then you have two options. The first option is to change the size of the widget. So this can be useful for those who want the widget to take less space than it does right now. In that case, we need to press and hold our finger on the widget and then drop it back into its position. And then we can grab by the circles in order to only make it take this space over here, for example, so that this area is free and we can place some other apps, for example, or other widgets in general. So of course this is one of the ways. However, the clock itself, as you can see, it's still quite big, so there is another option. But first I'm gonna remove this widget. Now we're gonna press and hold our finger on the empty space in the home screen so that we can go to widgets, and we're gonna add another widget that contains the time, the clock, but is smaller. So for example, we can use the clock app over here, because as you can see, we have also some widgets. So for example, I'm gonna use this digital widget. I'm gonna press and hold the widget and then drop it over here in the middle. And then we also have the choice to choose a solid background or transparent background. In my case, I'm gonna choose transparent. We can also make it a little bit smaller, as you can see, so we can take even less space. And now, as you can see, the clock is much smaller. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.